Huh? No, nobody said I had to walk slow.
Same shit.
So I don't know who the hell I think is gonna win it, but I picked Kansas City. I mean, you got Patrick Mahomes, and a guy that's been there. This is gonna be his 4th time in 5 years. Been to 6 straight AFC championships. He understands how to win in these moments, and so does Andy Reid. And so what happens with Kyle Shanahan and Brock Purdy have to make those championship decisions against people who've already done it so many times.
Right. Absolutely. Thank you so much.
No problem, brother. Yes, sir.
From the BBC.
Oh, nice.
Dave, and thank you for talking to us.
Are you a Tottenham fan by chance?
Does anyone?
Yeah, now the other side of things, you got Patrick Mahomes, he's playing his 4th Super Bowl, and this is 6th season as a starter, trying to score his 3rd.
Crazy? Yes. Have a good one, y'all. Hi, how are you?
I'm gonna just take a video of you.
Sure. Okay. What up, though? I'm Jalen Rose, and my Super Bowl prediction is I'm surprised that the 49ers are 2-point favorites.
Get your words together. I love you.
The dealer got your 5, and all of a sudden they get
Great party, great party.
Check you a couple of questions for the BBC real quick. Take them shoes off.
And there'll be many, many more.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, that's fine.
Sometimes people is competing with themselves and letting others live rent free when they're not even thinking about it. I'm gonna collect my checks. I'm gonna collect my checks. Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna have each one.
Okay. Actually, time to talk.
Yeah. What's your best move?
Well, thank you so much. You have a good night.
Just love this camera too. This camera too?
Yay!
Thank you so much.